Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Julia Manja Unite, your sugar baby. Wow! So for today's content, another video, another unboxing again and again and again and again. And let's see that in 3, 2, 1. Let's intro first.
Nood na tayo ng mga good vibes na mga video natin ni Ate Lia B. Tara at mag-explore, tayo'y mapangiti, mga saya niya na hatid sa atin. Ito ang vlog ni Ate Lia B.
Okay, so let's go. Let's open it. Oh, color blue. Ayan, and size 3XL. Hindi para sa akin to, guys. It's for my husband. And let's see. Oh, diba? Ganito siya. So, it's a hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito. What do we call this? A jacket. So, what is good in this jacket is it has its own mask. Then, diba? Gusto mo mag-mask para tabon din yung sa likod, yung batok mo, by riding a motorcycle. And it also has a hood. So, let me show you. Oopsie. Tanggalin ko muna yung aking salamin. Hop. Oh. So, ganito siya, guys. Sorry. Ayan. So, ganito siya, guys. Yan. And, like I said, ito, covers sa leeg. Okay? And, it can be used as a mask din. So, ganito, pwede rin ganito, guys. Tchanan! O, diba? Yun nga lang, wala siyang bulsa. Ganda sana kung may bulsa. Pero ganito siya, guys. O, diba? And then, meron din siyang hood. Oh, protection, guys. Hey! So, ganito siya, guys. Ayan. So, protection siya, guys. O, diba? May hood na siya. Ito. Cover. Ay, meron palang butas dito, guys. Diba? Pwede ilagay yung tongue. Oh, diba? So, ayan. Kung pansin nyo dito sa likod, ayan. Tabon din dito sa likod, guys. So, hindi kayo basta-basta mangingitim. And, of course, pwede rin na ganito lang siya, guys. And, taas ko nyo lang dito para hindi siya. Oh, diba? Ganun lang. That's it, guys. And, of course, murang-mura din to, guys. Hindi siya expensive. It's mura lang. Like, less than 200 pesos. Diba? Good deal, diba? So, yun guys, if you're interested to buy one of those, meron ding ibang color neto, like light blue. Pero iba yung design. Meron ding dark gray black, kasi not available in 3XL. So, eto na lang binili ko. Okay naman siya. Ganda naman. So, yun lang guys. And of course, guys, if you want to buy one of those, just DM me. So I can give you the link, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Love, love, love.